automation. So I told you what is automation. It will perform automatically based on certain conditions. Okay. So what it does, what are the actions we can do through the process builder? In workflow, we can do the field update, task creation, email alert and all. Here, rather than the task creation, here we can say record creation. In workflow, we can only create a record on task object. Here you can target to create any object. Okay. And workflow, you can do outbound messages, but here you can't do the outbound messages. But apart from that, you can do approval process also you can call. Means you can use approval process to automate approval process based on a certain condition that you can do through the process builder. And Apex also you can call. Post to charter. In a charter group, you can post, okay, and notifications. Messaging notifications also you can do. I can say also you can same name, you can use custom notifications. And approval flows also you can call. Apart from that, there are n number of things we can do in process builder action. Okay, this is you can say one best thing which you can have. You can perform more actions than workflow, but also there is one best thing in the process builder, like you can use the n number of conditions for same object. Using a one object, you can perform multiple conditions. But whereas a process workflow, which you can each condition you should return separate. Separate conditions, separate actions you have defined. So on one object can have multiple workflows will be there. But whereas process builder, you can write it one object itself. You can write one process builder only. Within that, you can perform n number of actions. Let's go for try to do some operations or some examples on few like these three things we can try. Let's focus on. There is a contact object. Okay. And the last, when the company or account is not null, update contact email as account email. This is a scenario. So when you are creating a contact record, if account is not null, contact email should be as a account email. Means account email, you should take it and make it as update as a contact email. Okay. This is the scenario. How to do? Go to the process builder. Process builder. So see here, this is the process builder place where you can do these all the things. Let's click a new. It will open a process builder section. Here you can see, provide the name, description, and select that what kind of actions you are doing. A record changes. When the record changes happen, then you want to do performance on it. Or when the platform event message is received, then you want to do something. If the invoked by the another process, I mean one process builder can invoke by another process, that is also you can do. So for now you can target a record changes, and you can target a contact object. You can write more detail, but it's okay because since you just typing into the contact only, na, so that's fine. So contact operations. What was, see, this is the structure. You can see this is the chart, flow chart. You can see the flow chart. So n number of flow charts you can build it. Okay, true or false, then come down here, true or false, then make it as immediate action, scheduled action, select the object, which object you are targeting. Those are all the things you can see here. Now we targeted on which object? It is a contact. So select and search for contact. See here what kind of action you should do only when a record is created or when the record is created or edited. Better to take a second option when the record is created or edited. Then save it. So contact object to the targeted. So when the record changes is happen on contact, then it should happen. So what changes should happen? Just select add criteria. Criteria is like when the account is there and that account is also has an email, then only it should update. For example, update contact email. So now conditions you should write. What is the condition? It should meet account. You should choose account ID. So on the contact account ID does not equal to field reference, or you can say global constant. Take it as null. It should not be null. So again, account ID is there. Also email. Email I'm not able to find. Can I find the phone? Account phone. Okay, consider change that email field as account field. So since we need to create a custom field rather than to do custom field on operations, try to go for the phone. Phone. Phone also should not be some value. So this is a condition you have written. So there is account, and that in that account you should have an email. Or else you directly remove the first one, even though it is satisfying that email phone number, right? If it is a phone number is there, then only it will update. Now I told you there are a couple of actions you can get it. So immediate actions or scheduled actions you can define, depends on the things what you choose it. Now go to the action. What action you want to do? Update. See, these are our actions you can do. Apex, create record, email alert flow, post to chatter, process, quick actions, quick send custom notification, submit for approval, update record. These are all the things. For now, we have to do update record. Update contact phone, just a name you have written, and try to choose what kind of type you are choosing. Related a contact. Mobile phone, field reference. The field should be come from the where account. account phone. So the value should be come from the account. The contact related account only value should be come and update accordingly. Action also created. Now see that once it is created, you can see that there is one more action is criteria added automatically. And also you can see once you click the stop, you can find the direct. Okay, since you can find there are multiple options when you created this, for now we can go and save and activate. Go to the contact. So this is a contact. So we have a contact. So on top of it, if it is account, and that account, if it is a phone number is there, that will update on automatically on contact. If you are on the contact, if you perform anything, any operation as the record is creating or updating for this particular account. So whatever the phone number is there, that phone number should come to the this any field. Let's try to update here. See here, you got it, the condition, how it is satisfied and how it is works. Hello.
Yeah, yes.
Now let me try to remove this. I am going to update again this field. Also I can modify some number, or I can remove it also. Does it going to update here? Will it update some value over here or not?
Yes.
It will. How?
Because it's condition action, no?
What is the
Automatically.
condition I was written?
So it's like update account ID when phone number is edited or updated.
I am removed already phone number. I mean account. How it will get the account that phone number over
Okay,
here?
okay, I removed.
It's gone. Again, I can choose the different account number then. I can choose it and save it. Does it came value?
Hmm.
Account is there, but still we didn't get a value. The reason, what will be the reason? Condition is even though not satisfied. What is the condition? This account also should have phone. If there is no phone number, how it will get the value to over here?
Hmm.
Again, I can change you Google on, then save it. Let's
Google
see.
have phone number, right? So that,
Exactly. That
yeah.
is what the field update we are doing.
Hmm.
Got it now? How it is work the field update?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Similarly, you can do the email alert. You can do the n number of things. I told you yesterday when the record is created on a traveler, we need to send a email alert like that. Again, when a booking has been done, then you can say, hey, your booking has been done, something like that you want to do, you can do. You can do n number of things, okay, through the process builder. You got it or any question?
No, on email it is good.
Okay. Now let me try to help you out how to create a record. The same only, same object we can target, because you need to understand this is multiple actions over there, how it is works and all. Try to clone it. Here you have to, if you want to do something on the same object, same process builder, you need to clone it. Now see, I can able to write a condition, different condition. What is the different condition I want to write? Record last name is that there is a value and also has the contact. If contact has email ID,
So why we need to clone that process builder? Because
to
the previous
okay.
previous process builder have the criteria option. It is
Yeah,
fine.
previous build. See, the reason I cloned is if you want to modify the same process builder to perform some actions to accordingly to make it some changes on your requirement. Okay. Here there is no modification. You have to clone it. The process builder.
Okay.
Now my condition is what is it? If on contact email not null, then send email to the contact email. So what will be the condition? If email does not null, see here if you written multiple conditions, you want to mention or condition or custom logic or whatever you can mention and save it. Condition is if it is satisfied, you want to send an email.
So and or and third option was
Yes, you can do. For now here it's one by one will be verified. So we didn't create any email alert for the contact object so that it is not showing anything. Let's try to create it. Previously you were created this one. Now you can also create again one more on contact object. Select something like this. To whom you want to send it, you can tell me. Just send an email like that. I can send you. Share your email ID. This is fine. So email alert has been created. Now this email alert we need to use over here. Save it. Now see, click on here. What there are two options are not showing. Stop the process. Stop the process and evaluate the next criteria. These two things you can find it here. Means it after it completed, you want to go next and all you want to mention, then you should select this. Otherwise, even though it will matter, you want to stop at first one, then you can stop over there only. So I suggest you to choose this. But these things and it depends on whatever the requirement you can choose it, then save it. Now make it as activate. So process builder activated and next evaluation rule criteria should be checked up. So what is the first one comment? If the contact has click new. So mode of the payment will be, you can take it as a bank check or something. So this is the way you can create and all. Now check it out whether email is any. Vikas, have you received any email?
I'm just checking. Not yet. No. No.
Okay, why you think that it is not received? The reason why the condition is yet to be satisfied, but it is not satisfied, right? What is it? Our condition. What is it? Contact does not equal to empty. Contact is it? Contact email ID does not. So we are creating contact. It should create a contact. Okay, now try to go contact. Go to the contact and detail page. You should receive it email. Have you received?
No.
I just received it actually.
Uh,
It just take in a second.
yes. Take time.
So basically, you will receive the mail ID to your mail.
Okay.
I receive it to this mail. But yeah, basically I received it. I can forward to you people. So how to send an email and how to field update do that through the process builder? This is the way. In the same, even though you are using same, but still it is works. Whereas in a process builder, right, in a workflow, what you need to do, you need to write a separate condition for separate formula field you have to write. But you can written multiple actions you can do for the same condition. But if conditions is different and the actions you want to do perform different, then you have to differentiate through the different actions in the same. This is
So
the
if
general flow.
we do all the action together.
Yes, you can do, of course.
Yeah. Okay.
Every action you can add it over here and try to do also. But here you should understand one more thing, like this is a coding one, Apex, where you have to write a code that classes you can call into here. How to call and all I will tell you once the Apex is game pitch. Anybody has any question for these two topics?
No.
Okay. If not, then try to do some examples on this field update and field email alert. Only major differences you can find it only these things. Related objects you can perform. Also, you can send emails, and in the same process builder, you can return multiple criterias. Those all the things are benefits only through the process builder. Correct. Yeah. If nothing is then it is okay. I can stop.
Okay.